I have something very, very, very important to talk to you guys about. This is a debate for the ages, like good versus evil, Chevy versus Ford, Evo versus STI, or in this case, thread sealant versus thread seal tape. Yeah, this is a thread sealant tape video. Let's check it out. Hey everyone, I'm Jared and Happy New Year. We've been making these quick tips for going on 3 years now? Our topics come directly from you. When we see a complaint or a question come through one of our channels, we don't just ignore it. We make it better, and then some. Which brings us to today's topic. For you new QuickJack owners, you may have noticed that we no longer include thread sealed tape and instead replace it with a liquid sealant. So why on earth would we do this when the thread sealed tape does a great job of sealing up those threads when used correctly? But notice what I said there, when used correctly. That's the key. Your QuickJack power unit has a highly sophisticated flow control valve inside it. While it does a great job of equally distributing fluid to each of your frames, if debris gets caught in it, that could cause some serious problems. One of the biggest culprits we've seen causing this situation is when thread seal tape is used incorrectly and bits of it get pushed through the system and into the flow control valve. Then you call us because the frames aren't lifting evenly. No, I'm not upset. We love it when you call. Please call. To save you the trouble, here's a quick demo of how to apply thread seal tape the right way and the wrong way. The correct way is always in the direction of the fitting. Never go against the grain or wrap the tape over the orifice. Always keep the tape away from the hole. Skip the top thread to be sure. And lastly, 3 wraps around the fitting will do the trick. Any more is just overkill. Plus, the excess could tear out and wind up contaminating your system. To all those that can use the thread seal tape the right way, as demonstrated, look at your bad self. Feel free to use the tape on those threads during setup. For anyone uncomfortable with this process, you better stick with the included liquid sealant. To apply the sealant, first wipe the threads with a clean towel to make sure they're free of any debris. Then apply a bead of the sealant all the way around the fitting, making sure to leave the first thread free and going down at least 3 or 4 threads. Lastly, tighten the fitting and allow time to cure. This will ensure everything is tight, sealed, and leak-free. For more information about thread seals and setup tips in general, go to our website at QuickJack.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.